Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we shall discuss how to start a business without money, without any cent, with totally nothing except yourself. How to start a business without money. Starting a business without money is challenging, but definitely possible with creativity, resourcefulness, and strategic planning. Here are steps you can follow.
1. Start with a service-based business. Why? Service businesses require little to no upfront capital. You can start with skills you already have and offer services like freelancing, consulting, graphic design, tutoring, writing, or social media management. Examples: virtual assistant, digital marketing, web development, personal training, pet sitting. 2. Use free or low-cost resources. Website and marketing. Use free tools like Wix, WordPress, or Squarespace to build a basic website. Social media platforms are powerful free tools for marketing your business. Graphic design. Utilize free design tools like Canva for creating logos, social media posts, or promotional materials. Online marketplaces. Sell your products or services through platforms like eBay, Etsy, Shopify, or Fiverr, which have low upfront costs and allow you to reach a large audience. 3. Leverage skills and barter. Barter for services. If you lack resources, barter services with others who have skills or resources you need. For example, you can offer your service in exchange for web development or marketing. Collaborate. Partner with someone who has complementary skills. For example, if you're a designer, partner with a copywriter to start a content marketing service. 4. Use the pre-sale model. How it works: before developing a product, sell the idea or concept to potential customers and collect pre-orders. This approach works well for digital products like courses, ebooks, or software, and physical products that can be manufactured later. Why? Pre-selling generates cash flow to fund your business development, helping you gauge demand before you invest heavily. 5. Tap into free learning and networking. Education. Use free resources to improve your skills and business knowledge. Websites like Coursera, edX, and YouTube offer free courses on entrepreneurship, marketing, and other relevant skills. Networking. Join free communities or social media groups to connect with like-minded entrepreneurs. Networking can lead to partnerships, mentorship, and other opportunities that can help you build your business. 6. Freelancing and gig economy. Start small. Take on gigs through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, TaskRabbit, or Freelancer to generate income while building your business. Over time, this work can transition into a larger business. Why it works: you get immediate income while building a portfolio and customer base. 7. Utilize crowdfunding. Platforms. Consider using crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, or GoFundMe to raise funds for your business. You'll need to create a compelling pitch to attract backers. How to succeed: offer incentives like early access to your product or exclusive rewards in exchange for financial support. 8. Bootstrap and minimize costs. DIY where possible. Handle as much of the work as you can yourself, from marketing to accounting. Use free software and tools to reduce expenses. Rent or share equipment space. Instead of buying expensive equipment or renting an office, consider borrowing or sharing with others. Co-working spaces and shared resources are affordable alternatives. Start small. Focus on the essential aspects of the business. Launch a minimal viable product or service offering, then expand as you generate revenue. 9. Seek partnerships or investors. Equity partnership. Find someone who is willing to invest in your business in exchange for a percentage of ownership. Angel investors. These are individuals willing to invest in promising startups, often in exchange for equity. Incubators and accelerators. These programs provide seed money, mentorship, and resources to help startups grow. 10. Apply for grants and competitions. Grants. Some government agencies, NGOs, and private organizations offer small business grants, especially for specific groups like women, minorities, or eco-friendly businesses. Competitions. Look for local, national, or online business pitch competitions.